What are you doing, young man? Didn't I tell you to go do your homework? Get up and go now.
If no one could read, I wouldn't have to do any homework.
There was no teachers or schools. Because no one could ever read, everything was different. Everyone was trying to figure out what was going on. Only little nosy Supposy knew exactly what was wrong. They asked the maybe family that lived next door, but they couldn't really tell. No one knew for sure. And surprisingly, it was even a mystery for the definitely family. Everyone tried to remember, but it was no good. Because no one could ever read, they forgot all they had learned from books. It is The Adventures of Nosy Supposy, and it is to be a series. The first one is Suppose No One Could Read. So what has happened is that because of how my sons were, they asked a lot of questions all the time. My mom used to say a thing to me, suppose your nose was a doorpost where you put the inches. So I came up with the whole nosy thing out of that, them being a little curious all the time. So I said, and then they would come with the supposing. But mommy, suppose. So I said, don't be a little nosy supposy. So the name came out of that, really. So I just decided to go with The Adventures so that I could teach little things, little lessons out of life lessons out of Nosy Supposy's adventures. And one point that I noted recently that really helps for parents and children to bond when we no longer read to our children. And it is so important that we do, because it creates that time of bonding between parent and child that is so valuable. And we can't say enough how valuable it is.
Shafdan? Shafdan, wake up. You did your homework yet? Get up, get the book, let us go.
Can be little things. Talk to them in story form. You know, bring up things that will kind of stimulate them wanting to know more. Show them books with pictures too, because we have to know that it is important for them to have pictures to look at, bright colors that will stimulate their mind and their eyes and fascinate them.
In a world where the joy of reading can open countless doors, The Adventures of Nosy Supposy serves as a reminder of the profound impact literacy can have on our lives, and the importance of nurturing a love for reading in the next generation.